has your bathroom counter gotten cluttered and unusable? Or perhaps you have difficulty getting to your cleaning products or first aid items? Hi, I'm Phaedra, the Disorder Destroyer of Practical Possibilities, here to walk you through a bathroom organizing makeover. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to take you on a tour first of this bathroom. It once was organized, but the solutions just didn't quite work, and I'll show you the symptoms of that. So first we're going to start with the counter, and you will see some items are actually meant to stay out, like the toothbrush, the soap, my night guard, but you'll see other items such as medical itching cream, some bathroom products. You'll see some hair supplies, some makeup supplies, and this just isn't very fun. But the reason why these don't get put away as often as they should is because these drawers have just become a gobbledygook of a whole bunch of things. So this tends to be my everyday products I need to get to. So deodorant, contact solution, glasses, some extra medication. My second drawer tends to be hair products, but it's so overstuffed that occasionally if I flip something the wrong way, it'll get stuck. So, see, and it'll bring another drawer with it. And my bottom drawer is some other beauty products, but they've just been so stuffed in there, it's hard to get to. So we'll reconfigure that. Take a look beneath here. And here are some extra stock items. We have these pull-out drawers that I think there was once a rhyme and reason to what was in there, but it's gotten a little confusing. Over on this side, we tend to use this one as more medical related, but again, it's just all kind of thrown in there. And I won't show you these other drawers because those are my husband's, and he gets to take care of his own area. But here you'll find that we keep our toilet paper up on top, which makes it really hard for me to get to. It's usually my husband that has to refill it because he's taller. Our extra sheets, as well as some other things that are kind of hiding behind there, and they could lay a little bit easier. The towels are okay, but we could probably stand to purge a little bit, just because we don't need all those towels, and we find that the ones we really want to use, the larger ones, tend to go on the bottom because they stack nicer on the bottom. But here's where we start running into some trouble. I have some more towels, mostly hand towels and wash rags down here, but you'll see my makeup and beauty collection is kind of taken over, as well as here. I used to just throw extra beauty supplies in that basket, but it just needs to be gone through. Now, we have some extra space to play with down here. Right now, it's just holding some extra containers that I bought specifically for this bathroom organization project. But let's span over. You can see my beautiful curtain, our towels, And this is another area that tends to get cluttered for me. And you'll see that there's a couple of cleaning supplies out, and that's because it's just kind of difficult to put them back into the cabinets. I also tend to put my makeup brushes here. So after I've done my makeup, I throw them there. I don't put them away. And it would be nice if this was a little less cluttered. It is nice to have it as a holding place for my makeup as I'm doing it, but it needs to be cleared off each time. So that is the grand tour. Now let me tell you what my plans are. So here is the game plan for tackling this organizing project. And this is the game plan I take in most of my organizing projects. So first, we're going to start taking items out of the bathroom. As we're taking items out of the bathroom, we're going to also categorize them. So we'll have categories such as makeup, other beauty products. We'll have extra hygiene products, cleaning products, first aid items. And as we are going through each of these categories and sorting, we're also going to take a look for things that we don't use any longer, things that are expired, anything that we could toss and purge. Then, after we've sorted and after we've purged, we'll be able to put things back in the bathroom in an orderly manner and be able to use all the storage options in a strategic manner. So let's get to it.
I placed my everyday hygiene items in this top drawer. It may still look a mess, but the glasses cases are placed towards the back and everything else I need in front. This second drawer has the addition of a small box to contain some hair ties. I designated this bottom drawer as my nail care drawer. I have a small container holding nail files, clippers, and other smaller items. In the cabinet under my sink, I have a space for toilet bowl cleaner, extra soap, and a couple other bulky items. I used the top white drawer for sun care products and other products related to the outdoors. The bottom white drawer contains small boxes to contain categories like lip balms, lotions, and contact supplies. Under my husband's side of the sink, we start with the white drawers. The top drawer contains first aid items like bandages, rubbing alcohol, and neosporin. The bottom contains cold medicine, painkillers, and something that has become very important to me, Tums. I also have a box that contains extra supplies. If I run out of an item I use every day, I'll check in here first. And here is how I rearranged these shelves. I moved extra bed linens to the top so I could put the toilet paper down a shelf where I could reach it more easily. I purged a few towels that were a bit rattier, so now our current supply fits in this space nicely. I refined the stacks of hand towels and washcloths by folding the hand towels in a way that allows them to be stacked behind the washcloths. I'm also using the space between the wall and added drawer containers to store toiletry bags. The top drawer includes all of our travel size products. The drawer on the bottom holds hairstyling tools. I utilized this larger drawer to hold my makeup supplies. I even added a couple smaller containers to hold smaller items. And on the floor, I repurposed this box to contain hair products and supplies I don't use often. I also used a couple shoebox containers to hold spot items and even more hair supplies. Of course, an organizing video wouldn't be complete without showcasing the decluttering stash. Remember to discard medicines responsibly. Not everything can be tossed in the trash or flushed down the toilet. Check the FDA website for tips. You can also find drug disposal bins at some pharmacies.
It's been quite some time since I took on this organizing project. One benefit I've gotten is that I use up more products before purchasing more, especially travel size items. It's also easier to tidy up the bathroom before guests come over. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. I also have a blog where I give more organizing advice. You can find the link in the video description below. Please leave a comment below about what organizing challenges you may have, and I'll give some guidance in a future video. Happy organizing!